The Color Clock, Wristwatch Edition. So what I have created is an LED wristwatch, and every time an hour is changed, it'll show a different color. But how do we see color? Well, something that's omitting color or light is taking in all the other colors and reflecting only that one. That color goes to our eye, and your brain will see it. So you might be wondering now, well, how are you going to figure out difference between AM and PM? Won't colors just overlap? Well, lighter shade for AM and darker shade for PM. But let's get into the colors that you'll be seeing with the LED light. So at 1 o'clock you'll see blue, at 2 you'll see green, at 3 you'll see yellow, 4 lime, 5 pink, 6 red, 7 purple, 8 orange, 9 will be a brown, 10 caramel, 11 will be silver, and 12 is gold. Now what about mathematics? How can those relate to the LED wristwatch? Well, you can look at the circumference of the dial. So to find circumference, you do 2 pi times the radius. So let's say your radius is 1.5 inches. Well, you just do 1.5 times 2, which is 3. Or your answer could be 3 pi, but if you want to figure that out, then you just multiply the 2 and you get 9.42 inches. What was this based off of all now? Well, it had to be based off of something, and that would be the candle clock. So the candle clock was something that was made by a Chinese man in 520 CE. So basically, he took 6 candles, put them 1 inch apart from each other. All of the candles were the same height and same girth, but this wasn't really a clock. It was more of a time-telling device. So when all these candles burned out, 4 hours would have passed in total. But why was this made when the sundial at that time was probably the biggest thing? Well, the sundial wouldn't work at night. Since the sun goes down at night, the moon can't really make a shadow that's strong enough for the sundial to read. So, sundial became a no. How is the Chinese culture related to my LED light wristwatch? Well, think of Chinese lanterns. In ancient times, Chinese lanterns were all red, which is a very big color. So, and over the past few years, they'd make them all different colors. So how does the red relate to my thing? Well, 6. I made the midpoint of what all the times could tell is red. So it does relate back to the Chinese culture. And well, then you got the other colors to look at. All these colors have been made as lanterns today. So that is the Color Clock Wristwatch Edition. Thank you.